Hi, my name is Dr. Ross Perry and I'd like to welcome you to ParrotsHealth.com. ParrotsHealth.com is in the early stages of development at the present stage, but in due course I hope to make it a wonderful source of information for you about caring for your sick parrots in health and if they get diseased. I will start by, first of all, placing a lot of emphasis on parrot management, their cages, their needs for exercise, for companionship, their needs for protection from predators, their needs for a variety of foods in a well-balanced diet, fed in quantities that ensure that they do get a balanced diet. We'll talk about bird hazards, the poisons that we so often put in their bird cages, perches, food containers, toxic toys, galvanised wire. We'll talk about heavy metal poisoning, which is very, very common in parrots, particularly during the breeding season. We'll talk about the single parrot and randy bird syndrome and all the consequences of that. And we'll talk about their needs for companionship and pairing birds. We'll talk about how to tame and how to calm different things. I'll explain that. I'd like to also talk about caring for them, about wing clipping and all the accidents in inverted commas that happen as a result of this clipping the wings of birds and what it really means to the birds. I'd like to help you learn to recognise symptoms, clinical signs of disease early enough so that we've got a good chance of helping your bird recover. Early recognition of symptoms and early recognition of the clinical signs is the correct term, and getting appropriate veterinary attention quickly can make all the difference between your bird living or dying. So we'll talk about that, and we'll talk about individual major diseases such as immunophillosis, psittacosis. We'll talk about coliform infections, citizen B confederate disease, other viral diseases, other bacterial infections such as pasteurellosis. We'll talk about fungal infections such as thrush, candida, aspergillosis, megabacteria associated disease or bacterabis. We'll talk about protozoal diseases such as trichomonas and coccidiosis. We'll talk about intestinal worms, tapeworm and roundworm and papillaria. We'll talk about lice and feather mites and red mites and scaly mites and other creepy crawlies. And then we'll teach you how to hold birds, to give them medications, to drop the foam out, how to give them injection. And we'll talk about some of the veterinary drugs, how they're used and misused so commonly. And beyond that, we'll talk about holistic health care, supporting health and well-being without the need of pharmaceuticals. So the site should be a very interesting one as it develops. In the meantime, I do have another website which is drrossperry.com.au. That's spelled DRROSSPERRY. drrossperry.com.au. And there you can learn about parrots and other birds and caring for them with love and with gratitude. And you can get my book, Caring for Birds with Love and Gratitude. If you need to arrange a consultation with me, you need to make an appointment first. You do that by ringing 0419 693 279. I repeat, 0419 693 279. I consult at Cromer, which is a suburb on the northern beaches of Sydney, near Dee Why, Brookvale, Frenchs Forest, Horrible, and not far from the northern suburbs of Sydney, and only about half an hour's drive north of Sydney. Pick that number, 0419 693 279. If you live too far away to bring your bird to me, then it may be possible to arrange a phone consultation by ringing the same number, or perhaps we can arrange a consultation on Skype or iChat. I look forward to helping you one way or other. Make sure you have great pleasure enjoying the creating peace